Welcome to our review of the 24 PCS Building Blocks Toy Animal Figures Minifigures set, perfect for kids who love animals and building. This set includes 24 animal figures, 4 bears, 3 leopards, 2 orangutans, 2 cows, 1 giraffe, 1 tiger, 1 panda, 4 crocodiles, 4 sharks, and 2 whales. Each piece is individually wrapped and comes in a plastic bag. Kids need to assemble these pieces themselves. The animals have movable parts like legs, heads, mouths, or tails, making the playtime even more fun and interactive. Assembling these animals helps kids improve their hands-on ability, imagination, observation, and concentration. It's not just fun, it's educational too. Made of high-quality ABS plastic, these toys are non-toxic, odorless, and harmless. Safety is our top priority. This set makes a great gift for birthdays, goodie bags, party decorations, Easter, and Christmas. Kids can use them to build their jungle, forest, zoo, garden, or ocean creations. Note: not suitable for kids under 3 years old. Adult supervision required.